So hello guys, this is Soman and welcome to back my another video like another problem. So guys, when we need to edit any image in custom size, so on Elementor editor, so there is a common problem occurred. We cannot edit the image in custom. So okay, and there a common error was displayed that the server does not have ImageMagick. Okay, it means the server that is helping to host the website in locally like Xampp, the Xampp server has not installed ImageMagick. So there the problem is occurred in automatically. So how can solve this problem and how can install ImageMagick in our server? So please watch this video at last and I will solve this problem in step by step. So first step, open your browser and type localhost in search bar, and there note the PHP version of server. So open browser and type localhost. Okay, now I will type localhost in the browser, and then the Xampp version is 8.0.7. Okay, and click PHP info at the top right, and then we'll notice that there is no text of ImageMagick. There is not have of ImageMagick. Okay, there is not have of ImageMagick, and so there is not shown ImageMagick. So then we note the compiler and architecture of this server. So go to the PHP version, and the compiler is Visual C++ 2019, and the architecture is into 64 and thread safety enabled. We note this information now because it will be working in future step. So the next step, copy this link. I will paste this link in my video description section also. So copy this link and paste the browser. Okay, wait. Okay, interface is appear in display. So okay, at the scroll down, and there is a file that's into 64.dll exe ImageMagick. So ImageMagick.exe file now downloading. Okay, and post this, okay, on your browser bar and download the ImageMagick. Okay, now I downloading ImageMagick.exe file, and now double click on this and set up and install this file. Okay, now I am set up and installing this file. Okay, the installing process is running and complete. Then click next and uncheck and finish. Okay, so step 3, open Xampp control panel, stop Apache and MySQL. Okay, Xampp control panel, open and stop Apache and MySQL, and copy this link and paste your browser search bar. This link will available in my video description also, and copy this link and paste this on browser section, browser search bar section, and then click window DLL to downloading ImageMagick as your PHP version from DLL list. Open download file and extract php imageMagick.dll file to any location. Okay, now windows.dll, click windows.dll and the dll list is appeared. Then now click the file that's it's combine our PHP version. Our PHP version 370 and 8.0 and 64. So click this file and the file is downloading and download completed. And extract PHP at underscore imagick.dll file. Extract PHP underscore dot imagick.dll file to any location. So I extract this file my new D drive in new pan, new folder. That is there I extract php underscore imagick.dll file. Okay, the extract completed. And these files copy and paste this file Xampp php, from Xampp php then ext. Okay, there is first this file and the next step. Okay, the first completed and the next step, open file explorer, C drive, Xampp php, and then open php configuration editor and find dynamic extension, and at the dynamic extension below section will post this text. Okay, so let's go local disk C from Xampp php and then click ext folder, and then click php configuration editor. So click there and search dynamic extension and scroll down and post there this text. The text is extension equal to php underscore imagick. Copy this text or type this text and there. Okay, so okay, and save this file. Okay, we will go the next step, that's okay complete. And step 5, copy this link copy and paste in the browser search bar and click the imagick file according your PHP version. Okay, click the ImageMagick file, open your PHP version. Now my PHP version is 8.0.7 and artist structure is into 64 and compiler Visual C++ 2019. Okay, we'll download the file that is similar of this version. So okay, ImageMagick 7.1.8, that's Visual 15. Okay, no issue, and into 64 artist structure. Okay, it's not issue and it's running on PHP 8.0.7. So and click this file and go to bin folder and click this file, open download file and go to bin folder and there select all .dll file. Okay, click the download file and go to bin folder and then select all .dll file exception of ImageMagick object.dll, exception of ImageMagick object.dll file. Then select other .dll file exception of ImageMagick object.dll file and extract the selected file of any location. Then copy all file and post Xampp from Apache from bin. So now I will select all .dll file exception ImageMagick object.dll file and extract this file any location on our drive. So now we select this, that is a lengthy process, and it takes some time. So now select and extract it and our local disk D. So extract complete. Will extract on any location, that's no issue. So extract process complete and go to there and then copy all the file that was extracted and copy all the file that I have extracted and paste this Xampp Apache Win and paste this local disk C from Xampp, from Apache, from Brie. Okay, so first of all, okay, first of all we will need to copy the all file that are extract. So in our local disk, so copy the wall file that are extracted and then paste this all the file on local disk C Xampp Apache bin and there paste the all the file. Okay, the copy, okay, completed and next step, at the last step, start Apache and MySQL on Xampp control panel. We'll go to Xampp control panel and there start Apache and MySQL. Okay, okay, now I will see that it is installed or not. So go to PHP info, localhost, type localhost and there top right corner click PHP info, then there appear. Okay, there is will notice that ImageMagick have installed successfully and so ImageMagick, okay, ImageMagick have installed successfully in our server Xampp. ImageMagick have installed successfully in our local server Xampp. Okay, and now I will go the Elementor editor where the problem generate, but now the problem is solved. So now we can size this image in custom. So thanks all our viewers to watch this video. Okay.